Hey everyone, Christian here. Welcome to Louisville, Kentucky, where Big O Tires brought its franchisee and vendor partners together for the Big O Tires Convention and Trade Show.
This video is sponsored by Hunter Engineering. Visit hunter.com for more information.
This year's show featured over 60 vendors and brought together hundreds of franchisee members from across the Big O network to dish on growth, 2025 achievements, and the goals for the future. Big O Tires COO Gary Skidmore says the event directly ties into Big O's larger strategy, growing the brand while helping existing stores continue building momentum. Speaking of momentum, Big O set a record in store growth in 2025, growing to over 470 locations with 14 additions. The question is, how can they keep that same momentum in 2026 and beyond?
We've got two goals: new store growth and same-store sales growth. I think we've also been very regimented on making sure what we think works, and what hasn't worked we kind of tweak and get rid of, so we do this. So we want to make sure we keep our structure and our rigor, because if you go chasing everything, you're not going to succeed. So that's our challenge to us. It's also our challenge to work with our franchisees to make sure that we're aligned, because we only succeed together.
Those challenges are relevant, especially with nearly 500 locations in the Big O network. Skidmore says that alignment ties directly into choosing the perfect match for future Big O franchise locations.
We want to continue to grow our store base, and we want to continue to accelerate our store base. Now with that being said, we want to make sure we choose the right franchisees that fit our system, because we don't think it's beneficial to grow just to grow. We want it to be good for them and good for us, and that's our goal.
Big O Tires has also been focused on giving its franchisees tools they can't get anywhere else, like these exclusive tire lines built specifically for the Big O network.
Throughout the years, we've had different brands. We actually started with the Big O brand in 1975, 76. So we have two lines. We have a Bigfoot AT, it's a horse and all terrain. We have a Legacy AS, which is a passenger and performance. We introduced new sizes in the fall of last year, so we continue to invest.
Huge thanks to Big O Tires for inviting us out to Louisville for this year's convention and trade show. We want to hear from you though. Are you part of Big O's dealer network? How has the growth of Big O helped your franchise? That's it for this episode of What's Trending. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.